What's up, everybody? Guess who's back? He's got a new contract. Oh, there he goes. Come on. You want to play? Come on. You got to play, buddy. Come on. You got to play with Daddy. Yes, sir. All right. Sweet Pea's coming, guys. Hold on. I'm trying to sit in this little chair. You should see me, guys. I'm sitting on a little scooter. I'm like a little midget playing. Oh, my God. This is not going to be easy for me. I don't know if I could do this. Hold on, guys. I got to stand up. There's no way I can do this because if I sit down there, guys, that is going to be a complete disaster. Well, Sweet Pea is here. The question is he going to... Guys, this is not going to work with this little scooter. This is not going to work with this scooter. Come on, Sweet Pea. I guess I'll try it. All right. So here's the deal, guys. I got a mess here with chips. I'm sorry, I'm not organized, but I got a new strategy, so just hang in there. It's going to be worth your while if you guys hang in there. I got a cool new strategy for you guys. Let me just get these chips all organized. I didn't organize them last time. Oh, Sweet Pea's in the building, folks. Sweet Pea! What's up, man? Everybody missed you, buddy. You've been holding out on the contract, man. It's nice to have you back, dude. What did they pay you, dude? It was like was it like 1.2 million that I read? Holy cow, you're getting more than me. After all, you are the brains of the operation. Had somebody say that yesterday. You know, Sweet Pea's the brains of the operation over there, right? I was like, yep. I know. I ain't gonna argue about that. You are definitely right. Oh, I know what happened, guys. Our money is over on the baccarat table. No wonder why I'm missing chips. I got to go over to the baccarat table now and snag these chips. I'm so sorry. This is going to take a minute. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Hang in there, guys. I got a good strategy for you today. I promise. I got a good strategy for you guys. The name of this strategy is called, what is the name of this strategy? The name of this strategy is called the Triplets. Okay? No, Sweet Pea, you're under contract. You have to be on the table. You cannot go in the house. He's trying to go in the house, guys. You don't get paid $1.2 million, bro, and you don't get to work. You ain't worked in like months. You got fans here to please, okay? Daddy ain't gonna do it all by himself all the time. You better get up here and earn your keep, boy. You better get over here and earn your keep, boy. All right, so we're gonna take out 4 green. I finally got the money, guys. There's 5,000 right there. Come on. Come on, we're playing. Let's go. Okay, guys, so sorry about the delay. You guys can go to jimmymastery.com, get the crap strategies and the baccarat strategies, private strategies. My best ones are on the website at jimmymastery.com. Here we go. We do not work to come out. Okay, we've got an 11. Oh my God, I just dropped the dice. Sweet Pea, come on. He's a little skittish, to be honest with you, to be out here because he hasn't been out here in a long time. So he's kind of a weirdo sometimes, guys. All right, so here's how this system works, all right? This is really cool. All right, so here's how it works. It's called triplets. So you have 3 and 3. They're twins, okay? They're all triplets. So what we're going to do is we're going to have the 4, the 9, and the 10 are a trio. So it's the Triplet Trio is the name of the strategy. The Triplet Trio. And how it's going to work, this is going to be your level 1. 4 is 25, 9 is 25, and 10 is 25, okay? All right, so here we go. So how it works is you get 3 rolls. Here we go. Okay, 7 on the first roll. So we're going to lose 75. We're going to pay them. Okay, we're going to be off on the come out. 7, but we were off. 9 is the point. Okay. Boom. Perfect point. So now You remember you did one roll, so you have 2 more rolls on this one. Okay, there's a 10. Okay, so you're going to get 50 bucks. Okay, and now that counts. Now you have 2. You need 1 more. You got back-to-back 10s, another 50. Okay, so now when your 3 rolls are up, you go to the other trio, the twins, the triplets. Okay, which is the 5, the 8, and the 6. Okay, we're not going to cap. We're going to make pretend we're on bubble craps. Okay, and now you got 3 rolls here. The reason why that this is going to win is it's the money management and the bet sizing. So you have to follow what I do. Okay, 9. We don't have a 9. That's the point. We're off. 5 is the new point. Sweet Pea, you're not going in the house. You're under contract, buddy. You better get over here and get to work. 11. 6. Okay, that's the second roll because the first roll was the 9. So we're going to get $30. Okay, do it again. 7. We're going to lose 75. We'll give them 75 here. Here's their 75. That completed the 3 rolls, and now you got to go over to the other set, which is the 4, 9, and the 10. We're off. Okay, there's an 8 is the point. And now we're going to go ahead and get to work. We don't count to come out. Okay, there's a 10. We have a 10, 50. The superstar of the show so far has been the 10. There's 50. Okay, that's 1 roll. The 5. Okay, we don't have the 5, so that's 2 rolls. The 6, we don't have that one either. Okay, so now we got to switch to the 5, the 6, and the 8, and we get 3 rolls. Okay, we hit the 5. Okay, that's 35. Okay, here we go. The 4, that's the second roll. And the 8, we have that one, that's 35. Okay, so that was the point. We're going to be off on the come out. We go to the 5. We go to the 10, and we go to the 9. And this is the come out, we're off. And the come out does not count as a roll. Okay, so our point is a 9. Here we go, we need 3 rolls. 8, we don't have it, that's 1. 6, don't have it, that's 2. 6, don't have it, we blanked. Okay, but we did not lose. So we go 5, 6, 8. First roll, 6. That's 35. Okay. Sweet Pea does not want to be on the spotlight. I don't know what's going on with him. 7, we're going to lose 75. Here we go. 75, okay? Now the reason why you haven't seen me change the dollar amounts is because we're not really losing a lot, but we will go up now, okay? So now we're going to go to level 2. So we're on the 5, the 8, the 5, the 9, and the 10, and now we're on level 2. Each level will get 2 failed chances. Okay? 7 on the first one, dude. That's going to be 150 gone. 150 gone, but it gets another chance at that level. I think that might have been the come out, to be honest with you. We should have been off, but that's okay. So the point's is 9, and we're starting now. 9 again. Okay, so we're going to get $70. Okay. No, baby. This will be the come out. 7. 5 is the point. Okay, we're going to get 1 more roll. And we hit an 11. So we're going to switch it to the 5, to the 6, to the 8. And this will be the first roll. The 4, we don't have a 4, that's 1. 6, we got one of those, that's 60. We'll take 75 and give them back 15. And we get 1 more. 5, that's another 70. We'll take 75 for a nickel. 4, 9, 10. Stay at that same level. Okay, here we go. 10. That was a 5, 5. That's 100. That's 100. Okay. 8. We don't have an 8. That's 2 rolls. 3. We don't have one of those either. And now we're going to reduce it a level and go back to the original level because we made back our losses, okay? Here we go. 9, that's 1 roll. 6, 35. Well, 30. Okay, here we go. And it's a 9. We don't have a 9. That was the 3rd roll. Switch it to the other trio. 9, 35. 6, we don't have a 6. That's the 2nd roll. 5, we don't have a 5. That's the 3rd roll. That was the point. 5, 6, 8 for 3 rolls. Here we go. 9 is the come out. And now we start our counting. 10, that's 1. 9, that's the point. That's 2. This is the come out. We're off on the come out. That's a 3. And 8 is the point. This is our last roll. 5, we get 35. Okay, we'll take 30. We don't have it. 4, 9, 10, first roll. 9, 35. We'll take 50, give them 15. They owed us 5. Here we go, 2nd roll. That's a 2, no help. And another 2, okay? Bring these guys down to where they belong. Switch your trios. 3, that's 1 roll. 7, we're going to give them 75. Okay, we're going to be off on the come out. 7 again. 3. 7 again. 2, can I get a damn point, please? 8 is the point. Okay, right where it's at. Okay, now we're going to go for 3 rolls. 6, 30 bucks. Okay, that was 1 roll. 5, that's 2 rolls, 30 bucks, 35, whatever. And another one. 12, okay. Not bad. We got 2 out of 3. We can't complain there. So here we go. We're going to stay at this level. 7. All right, now we have to go up. We failed 2 times on that level, so we have to go up. Here's their 75 right here. This is going to go, I think we've got 1 more roll here, I think, on this level. We're off on the come out. 8 is the point, right where it's at. Okay. Okay, 6. And now we're going to switch. 5, 6, 8. Here we go. 3, 1 roll. 9, 2 rolls. We're not making any money, fellas. 6, there we go. 60 bucks. Okay, that was 3. I kind of like this one better because we got the 4 and 10. If we can hit one of those, that's 100 bucks. 8, we don't have one of those. That's the point. Okay, that's 1 roll. The come out is the 8 again. Okay, here comes the 2nd roll. 12, no luck. Come on, let's hit a 4 or a 10. Nah, we got nothing for that guy. We blanked. So we'll try the other trio. Okay, we'll try the other trio. No, sir. That's 150 gone. Okay, that is 150 gone. Not good. Okay, this comes down. We already paid for that. So we're going to go ahead and do this level one more time. Okay, we're off. 6 is the point. Okay, here we go. 7 again. God dang it. 150. All right, now these go to 75 each. 4, 10, 9. We desperately need some 4s and 10s. We're off on the come out. We're off. That's a 6. There's the sweet pea right there. I can't believe they're paying you $1.2 million, and you don't even show up, and they're still paying you. Oh, there we go, guys. That gets back one of the 150s right there. There we go, guys. I think it was Sweet Pea came to save the day. Sweet Pea, I need you, buddy. There's the point. That's a 2. I need you, buddy. Okay. This comes come out. Oh, Sweet Pea just blocked the shot. Come out. That's a 5 point. You all right? I think I hit Sweet Pea in the nose with the dice. Okay, here we go, guys. 4. Sweet Pea comes through. Another 150. Way to go, Sweet Pea. Way to go, Sweet Pea. Okay, now we switch and we reduce to 50. 50, 50. We pocket 75 more in our rack. Okay, we're back to level 2. Let's go. 9. We don't have a 9. That's 1. 6 pays the man his money. Okay, that's 60. We'll give them 10 back. One more, guys. How about a 8 or a 6 or a 5? How about a 3? We don't lose. We don't make no more money. 4, 9, 10. Let's go. 10. 100. 100. Let's go. 4. 100. Let's go. Okay, one more, guys. 10. Holy cow, another 100. And we're going to end it right there. Just the way that you're supposed to do it, just the way that I do it in the stock market. I buy low, I sell as soon as it goes up. Okay? You do not keep thinking you're going to win. The way you win in this game is the bet sizing, the discipline, the money management. We're giving ourselves 2 chances to fail every time on each level before we go up. Jimmy's way gives it 3 chances, but that's the betting system, Jimmy's way. But we're not doing Jimmy's way. We're only doing 2 chances, okay? It's a little more risky, but it's a little more rewarding, okay? So you gotta add it up. So what you want to do, you're always going to have a point most of the time when you play where you get up money. It's going to have some rough times and it's going to have some good times. You saw the rough and then you saw the good. The key is to capitalize when you have more money than you started with. When you're feeling hot, that's when you need to go. When things are getting hot, that's when you need to go. Okay? There's your 5,000 that we started with. We're missing 1 green here. Okay, that's a full 5,000. 300, 400, 500, 600, 625, 650. I only got one thing to say to you guys. Bah. That's it. That's it, man. That's it. Just bah. Bah. And no, it's not a sheep, it's a freaking goat. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, come be a part of the channel, support the channel. Best for craps and baccarat on YouTube, hands down. Got some cool stuff coming your way, guys, once my foot heals. Sweet Pea says he's not sure if he's happy to be back. He doesn't look like he's enjoying this right now. He wants to go in the house, so I'm going to go let him in, make his day. He used to love it on the craps table. I don't know what happened. He's like a little, he loves to be in the house now. He's a little homeboy all the time. He don't want to come out here no more. So anyway, I think that 1.2 million might be a bad investment, man, because he ain't even showing up on the job site. So go to jimmymastery.com, support the channel by getting the private access, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much, and give that one a try.